Hi, my name is Cindy. If you've been here before, so glad you came back. And if you're new, welcome to Z9 Designs. Keep watching and be sure to hit that subscribe button to get some cozy corner lemon ideas that are fun, easy, and cool for the summertime. In addition, please like, save, share, and comment. It really helps my channel grow. So let's check out my cozy corner and see what lemon themed ideas I have for you to see today. So, tiered tray lemon ideas. So some of the items that you need include 2 tiered silver tray. So it has 2 tiered and it's silver. Lemon themed DIYs. So these were done on a previous DIY, so you can basically see how I made them. The first thing that you want to do is always start out with a clean tiered tray and make sure it is nice and dry. Next, I have some white paper doilies that I cut an opening to the middle, and then I cut out a round part, and I put it around the middle of the tiered tray. Now I did this with 2 doilies. One was a large doily that was placed on the bottom tier, and a smaller one placed on the top tier. Then I started placing the lemon themed items. Now these are all items that I made previously except for one, and it is double-sided. But for this particular house, it had green and yellow on one side and the other side was just plain. So I thought that I would put a different napkin on the other side. That one side ended up being cardstock and the other side was decoupage with a napkin. A jute string was tied around the house and a bow was tied near the bottom. Next, the house was placed on the top tier behind the rod. A tag that said joy was roped around the rod on the top tier. Below, a painted lemon was placed on the easel that I had made previously. and a terracotta pot with the words, "May your days be fruitful." And that is graced with lemons and small flowers. A faux lemon was placed on the top, kind of between the house and the tag. And then, you gotta do something a little extra. A lemon slice is leaning against the easel that was decoupage on a small wood round. At the back of the tiered tray, a succulent with the colors yellow and green was placed in the back, and lemons were scattered about. I think this looks so festive. But I had to do something else for my corner to be cozy. So to top it off, I set a dinner plate with lemons in front of the tiered tray. I used silver forks, a knife, and a spoon were placed on either side of the dinner plate. In addition, a salad plate is set on top, and this is exactly like the dinner plate. So when you place them down, you want to make sure that they're pretty cohesive. And this is followed by a yellow dinner napkin folded in kind of an odd shape for some interest. Lemon-themed glassware is on the right side of the dinner plate. And this is my easy peasy, lemon squeezy, cozy corner. If you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. And thanks for watching. I appreciate all of your comments. Remembering those heroes who served this country on this Memorial Day, I salute you. And remember, happiness is temporal, but joy is eternal. This is from garmentsofsplendor.com. Okay. See you later. Bye-bye.